Hello, my name is Tatiana Julega. I am a professional Latin dancer and bachata instructor, and here I'll be teaching you salsa. I've been dancing since I was 6, and then when I entered the university, I started to learn Spanish and became interested in social dances. Why do I like salsa? Firstly, because of the music. I really love this instrumental music, and every time when I listen to salsa, my body starts to move. Secondly, because this dance is energetic, sexy and simple to learn. And thirdly, because salsa is popular all over the world. I've been teaching social dances over 5 years, and during this time I have won many competitions. For me, dancing is more than just the steps. For me, dancing is about expressing yourself to the music, helping yourself to relax from all the stresses of the world, keeping your body in shape, as well as creating an environment where you can be free. This course will help you to become a better dancer while being a bit of fitness and a confidence boost. So I really hope you'll enjoy the process of learning salsa. So let's dive into joyful rhythms together.